Hi friends, success of your website depends on the selection of theme. WP Themes channel makes this selection easier for you. Today I am with a very wonderful theme called Fexa, and Fexa is a specifically made theme for law and attorney firm. This is the look of Fexa. I'll show you. So Fexa was developed in 2019 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. The developers are ThemeBeer, and this is a wonderful theme, and no doubt since it has been developed for a specific category only, it has all the features for that particular category. And this is the demo website of Fexa theme. With Fexa theme you can see the stunning look of this website, and this is the slider area, this is the main USB description area, this is about and practice area. Some more contents are here, the stats, expert attorneys, and the contact us section, the client list, the blog area, and the footer area. So if we talk about the pages, this is the internal page, about us page, and rest of pages are here, blogs we can see. And as you can see, this theme is loading very fast, and definitely it is going to be give you an added advantage of fast speed if you are working with this theme. And there are two home pages in fact. So this is the second home page, bit different, this area is different, and it is also very good. And you can see the loading effect is very wonderful. It is loading with some effects. And this is a free quote area, so contact us pages are here. Oh, that is wonderful. So if you have decided to make a website for the law or attorney firm, or if you are a lawyer, or if you are making a website for your client, this is going to be a good catch for you. And in this video we are going to install the Fexa theme on a fresh installation of WordPress. I have this fresh installation with latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got demo content, documentation, licensing, the main theme pack, and the child theme pack. So let us begin the installation. I believe you have already installed the latest version of WordPress, and go to the theme section. Hit on add new, upload theme, choose file. You have to choose fexa.zip here, and I believe you are having direct access on your server as well, so you can upload the same file in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. However, both activities are same. You can choose any way to upload the theme. Theme size is 17.65 MB in size. It is lightweight theme, of course, and it will not take much time in uploading, and definitely the website will also work very fast. And once it gets uploaded, we need to extract fexa.zip, and the extraction outcome is this Fexa folder. In that we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. So come to the theme section again, and now we have Fexa as another theme option. We can check the details. It is Fexa version 1.2. Fexa is a simple but modern responsive WordPress WooCommerce theme. Okay, fine. Fexa is especially designed for online store and where 3 demos: sports, fashion and furniture. I don't know why it is written. It has been specifically made for law services, and we can activate. So upon activation we got an alert to install some necessary plugins, and we will go for installing the necessary plugin. At this stage, begin installing plugins, and these are the list of plugins which are some of them are required and rest are recommended, but we will install all the plugins as I have to show you all the features of this website. And this theme gives you both options to use WP Bakery and Elementor, so you can choose any. And this is the theme core. Framework is Redux. This is another advantage with this theme. This is why this website is going to run very fast, and the Redux and Elementor makes a very good combination, in fact. So I'm installing all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one, and I'll definitely remove any of the page builder either. So either we can use Elementor or WP Bakery page builder, and all the plugins has been installed. Now we can activate all the plugins. Okay, fine. So we have installed all the plugins and the theme itself. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Fexa WordPress theme, without any demo content or content. So at this stage we need to bring some demo content in the site to get the website like the demo website, and this is our target website of this installation. So we need this demo content at our website as well. So let me locate the demo import option for you, and after demo content, okay, sorry, if you reach on this page, just delete this portion and hit enter. So I never hide anything during my videos, so that you may come to know the real picture of the themes. This is my uniqueness, in fact, and I never delete my videos as well. It is all in front of you. Okay, so I'll show all these options what we got in the theme, but let us first import the demo data, and import demo data is available in under appearance section. Import demo data is here. So after you import demo data, your website setup is done. Okay, fine. So I'm just clicking on import demo data, and now import is going on, and it will definitely take some time because it is going to download the media file and rest of files. So be on this page, don't try to refresh or leave this page. Patience is required here. You will reach on this screen once the demo gets completed. That's it, all done, and we can now deactivate the one-click demo importer and all unnecessary plugins. I always say in my videos, never keep unnecessary plugin in your WordPress installation. If you are not using any plugin and its feature, just deactivate and delete those plugins, because this is being the main factor of security compromise. So don't do this. And now we can check the website, how it looks and what we got, and something good. Yes, we have done it. Wonderful. And we have a wonderful website with us, and fine, it is working and it is here as required, and So it is good. It was a smooth installation, in fact. So even a non-tech person can do this, and you need not have any specific technical knowledge or skill set for this, and you are going to make your website at your own, and no developer or designer is required in this case. And as you can see, the theme is loading or working very fast. This is the main advantage with this theme. So it is working in lightning speed, and in fact if you have a speed of high fast loading website, you have won the half of game, and it is going to be an extra edge upon your competitors. So fine, it is, everything is good with this theme. And yes, our website is ready to put original content. So now we can check the theme options and what we got additional in the WordPress installation. So we got attorneys here. All attorneys are here, and yes, we can control attorneys here. Attorney category, cases, all cases are here. So it is the area to maintain the cases. Add new and case categories here. Media is common, page, fine. These are the common things. Plugins, and this is the theme panel. I'll show you the theme panel, what we got in the theme panel to control the website. Yes, this is Fexa theme panel control, and this is global option. Logo, you can control logo from here. Header, banner options. Okay, fine, it is really good. Page options, social profiles, call to action. Okay, call to action has been given additionally. Google API, footer is here, options object, and rest of things. Okay, fine. So we got all the options here in the panel to control this website, and industry specific areas are also here. Attorney cases are main two functions given for this website. And now we can conclude we have successfully installed the Fexa theme and imported the demo content. And now we will quickly take a look how to edit the pages. And here I will advise you to install a plugin called duplicator or page duplicate. If you are editing any page, just make a duplicate of that to save it, to safeguard the main layout of page, and in case you need, you can just restore that. And this is the editing option, and it is simple. So it is not so, it is more than easy, in fact. You can use backend editor to edit the contents, and here is the backend editor. So here pencil icon can help you for everything, whatever you want to change. And I always advise to use backend editor. Backend editor gives you an impression what is going on, in fact. And even front end editor is also good, so not a problem. And just in case you have any problem, you can even edit in the code area, code sections. So that is some advanced feature that is not required for this. And any of the content can be edited here simply just on clicks. So I don't think I need to tell you anything else about the editing. It is simple. Whatever page you want to edit, just open it and just click on edit with WP Bakery Composer, and you will be able to edit that page on contents, and you can even add or remove the areas you want. And what to keep in mind, just make a copy of that page, original page, so that you may restore in case you make an error. So this is fine, and we got a wonderful website today in this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm giving the link of my website in the description section, where we can discuss anything about this theme, and even you can get this theme there. And just subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring this bring important plugins, themes and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.